Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So this is part 3 of Angular interview question series. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2, you can go back to my channel and watch part 1 and part 2. And in this part 3 we are going to see what is wildcard routes in Angular and what is its importance, why we have to use that. So you can see here, I'm a random user and I want to navigate to any other path like this. So if user want to navigate to this path, what will happen? So you can see here, there is you can see nothing happens here, but the application is throwing an error. You can see here, application is throwing an error, cannot match any routes URL segment like this. So to handle these scenarios, when user want to navigate to any other path which is not configured in our application routes, then application will throw an error. To handle these scenarios, we will use wildcard routes. So let's see how to implement wildcard routes in our application. So we have login and categories components. So if user wants to enter any other path which is not present in our routes, then I am creating a wildcard route by using two asterisk symbols. If user gives any other path which is not present here, then we have to create any other component, but I am navigating to categories component here. If there is any page not found component, then you can navigate that to page not found component here. So let's see whether it's working or not. So I am in login component now. So if user want to change this login to any other path which is not configured, then you can see this is navigating to categories component as of now, because I have given categories here. You can check this by opening our console. So you can cross check here, we are not getting any issues here. So this is how wildcard routes helps in our application. And what happens if we keep our wildcard routes above all the paths? So if we keep like this, then if I open our browser, so even though I have clicked login or categories or anything, it will go to categories itself. So if you keep this, even though user clicks a correct path name, then he will be navigated to the wildcard route. So that is why we have to keep that wildcard route at the last of all the routes. So this is the end of this tutorial, and thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.